Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize social proof with Trustpilot, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize social proof using Trustpilot, begin by creating a Trustpilot account. Visit the Trustpilot website and select Sign Up. Fill in the necessary business details, including your company name and website. Verify your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to your business profile. Customize your profile by adding your logo and a brief company description. Encourage customers to leave reviews by integrating the Trustpilot widget on your website. Choose an appropriate widget style that matches your site design. Embed the provided code snippet into your website's HTML. Draft a personalized email template to invite customers for reviews post-purchase. Send out these invitations to customers, making it easy for them to share their experiences. Respond to all reviews, both positive and negative, in a timely manner. Address any concerns mentioned in negative reviews professionally and constructively. Show appreciation for positive reviews by thanking customers and acknowledging their feedback. Use Trustpilot's automated review request feature to streamline the process. Monitor your Trustpilot dashboard regularly for insights and feedback trends. Utilize the data to enhance your products or services based on customer suggestions. Share your Trustpilot reviews on social media and your website to reinforce credibility. Incorporate review snippets in marketing materials to enhance trust. Consider leveraging Trustpilot's advertising features for increased visibility. Continuously encourage satisfied customers to share their experiences. Analyze your Trustpilot rating regularly and aim for improvement. Make adjustments to your customer service strategies based on the feedback you receive. Keep your Trustpilot profile active and updated to maintain consumer trust. By following these steps, you will effectively optimize social proof through Trustpilot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.